Hi, I'm Ben, and this is my bus Brum. Come on inside and take a look. Okay, so this is the main living area of the bus. So in the living room there's the driver's seat, which swivels around at the front. This futon, which also has some drawers built in underneath for storage. And then one more leather swivel seat over here. All the windows actually cover up with these 1-inch foam insulated panels, and yeah, they're just really good to provide a bit more insulation during winter, and also to provide some privacy when parked up in a campsite or a parking lot. On this side of the bus, so I've got a cubic mini wood stove, and it's got just a heat powered fan on the top of it, and around the back is this brick tile and some heat shields. Below it there's some storage for wood, and this is just a table which swivels out. You can use it to swivel to wherever you're seated, and then yeah, pack it away. Just locks in under there. Up here we've got a skylight in the roof here, and then I've kept some of the original Bluebird lights on the roof. And as we come back into the bus, there's the original roof hatch, and there's one more skylight in the shower here. So I'm a pretty tall guy, and there's only 3 areas in the whole bus that I can really stand up straight. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, on this side of the bus is my kitchen. So it's got acacia countertops, and back here is a red cedar storage box and a couple of spice racks, and I've got a couple of USB charger ports throughout the bus. Here is just a propane range, just one that I got secondhand out of a RV. At the back it's a double stainless steel sink, so it's really good for washing up, and also when driving around, that you can just throw stuff in there and it holds it all in place. Yeah, these panels just cover up the sink, and it just gives a bit of extra counter space. With the cabinets, so I've just got some drawers and normal cabinets that just store the regular household stuff. And then down here is my electrical system, the brains of the bus. So I've got 2 24 volt 100 amp hour batteries, so that's 4800 watt hours in total. Inverter and charger, all the 12 volt circuits running out from it. And then underneath this, underneath the counter here, is where the propane on demand water heater is. It actually raises up the temperature here and trips a thermostat, which triggers a fan to suck out any potential exhaust gases that might be in the cabinet. Towards the back there's this Galan's retro style fridge. So it is just a normal household fridge, but yeah, I really loved the old style look, and even though it's a new fridge, and just picked it up from Canadian Tire. And then right at the back here is the pantry, which slides out. Opposite to the kitchen is the shower. So it's pebble mosaic on the floor with a linear drain, and black slate on all of the walls, and cedar on the upper portion of the walls and roof. There's also just these privacy films which I've just used on the windows. And then up on the top there's also that skylight which I've also trimmed with some red cedar. I really love the deck. I think it's probably the favourite. It's you don't get to use it all the time, but it's nice when you pull up at a nice viewpoint or camp spot and you just go straight up on the deck and enjoy the view from there. Okay, so this is the rooftop deck. So it's a big cedar deck, and then at the front there's the 4 solar panels, the chimney from the wood stove, and a couple of skylights, and this is just the original strobe light that came with the bus. On the back wall of the shower is this ladder which just leads up to the roof deck. So it's just made out of this black iron pipe, and yeah, it also doubles as somewhere that you can hang up your tea towels and towels on. Just behind it there's all the carbon monoxide and just a mirror and temperature gauge. And then down here is the guest bedroom, which you actually slide your legs down and they fit underneath the main bedroom of the bus. Heading through here leads into the main bedroom. So this is a king-size bed, and at the head end of it here is actually another bit of storage, and it folds up so that you can use it as a bit of a pillow rest. There's some more USB electrical ports, and then the back of the bus also covers up with these insulated panels. And facing the front of the bus from the main bedroom, it opens up to the toilet, which is a airhead composting toilet. The name of the bus, Brum, actually came from a children kids TV show. It was a 90's show in the UK, and it's about this miniature antique car which is radio controlled in the show, and when its owner isn't looking, it wakes up and sneaks out and goes and explores around town. So this is the outside of the bus. It's a 2000 GMC B7, which runs on a 454 gas engine with a Eaton standard transmission. It's painted all another shade of yellow, so not the standard orange bus look, but and then along the side here I've painted a mural of Pado Lake, which is up towards Jasper. And on the other side of the bus there's just these 2 big storage bins which came with the bus. Up the front there's the stop sign, which I've converted into a blackboard. I guess I went from a life where I was working 5 days a week, 10+ hours a day, to being able to travel around and live where I want. So also just a change from the working world into a bit more of a relaxed lifestyle has been great, and yeah.